That's what I was talking about, going in and out of jumps. It's an hour. Well, half hour is on the ground. It's a half hour riding. Jessica, what do you know? No. Alea, what was wrong with that? No. No. I'm not even talking about the way you rode that. I'm talking about that you did the wrong 2 jumps. I wanted the blue box with that turn getting the lead change to the oxer. Oh.
How much of a lesson?
It's 45 if you prepay for the month, 50 if you pay as you go.
How's Trey and everybody doing?
It's good. There's no training out here today.
They got good anything?
I don't want the ass in. I mean,
I don't think so.